Dear students, today I am going to talk about Charles Dickens and his famous novel A Tale of Two Cities. Before we talk about the writer, we should have knowledge about Victorian era in which Dickens wrote this novel. The Victorian era in English literature covers a period of 60 years from 1832 to 1892. The social and economic condition of the then England had an influence on literary achievements of this time. Much of the writings was concerned with the social and economic problems. For example, effect of industrial revolution, influence of the theory of evolution, movement of political and social reform. It was essentially an age of material progress and prosperity. Industrial revolution brought about a radical change in the economic condition of the country. This period witnessed the rise of middle class and the birth of democracy. The old values of life, the traditional faith in God, and many relation to God, and the prevalent philosophical conception of life were fast losing ground because of Darwin theory of evolution. The Victorian literature is particularly marked by its great advance in the field of prose and novel. The novel in this age fills a place which the drama held in the days of Elizabeth. And never before in any age or language has the novel appeared as in such manner and in such perfection, as said by W.J. Long. English novel was first invented as the most convenient and forceful literary form in 18th century. The Victorian novelist explored all its potentialities and enormously widened its scope. Charles Dickens, George Eliot, Bronte sisters, Meredith, Henry James were most important novelists in this period. So far as Charles Dickens' life is concerned, Charles Dickens is the greatest novelist that England has ever produced. He is a British novelist, editor, journalist, illustrator, critic, commentator who wrote 15 novels. These novels are Pickwick Papers, Hard Times, A Christmas Carol, A Tale of Two Cities, David Copperfield, The Great Expectation, etc. Besides novels, he contributed short stories and essays in periodicals. Dickens was born in Portsmouth on 7th February 1812 in England. He was the second of 8 children. His father was naval clerk, and his name was John Dickens, and his mother, Elizabeth Barrow, aspired to be a teacher and a school director. Dickens left school at the age of 12 to work in factory when his father was prisoner. After a few months, his father was released and Dickens was again allowed to go to school. Dickens has ended his education at the age of 15. In 1833, he began submitting sketches to various magazines, journals, newspapers under the pseudonym Bose. He married Catherine Hogarth after publishing his first novel. He traveled United States and Canada, where he delivered a number of lectures there. He died at the age of 58 after suffering a stroke on 9th June 1870, and he was buried in Poets' Corner of Westminster Abbey in England. A Tale of Two Cities is his best known work of historical fiction and includes the famous opening sentence which begins, "It was the best times and it was the worst times." The novel is written under the framework of French Revolution. However, its themes are timeless and universal. The novel was published in 1857 and it shadowed the whole Europe. The two cities are London and Paris. Scenes change from one city to another. A Tale of Two Cities is a master portrait of idealism, love, and supreme sacrifice. Dickens humanizes the story of the French Revolution with four of his greatest characters: the sinister Madame Defarge, lovely Louise Manette, and her honorable husband Charles Darnay, and complex, ultimately heroic Sidney Carton. Through these unforgettable characters, Dickens portrays the human condition in situations involving love, greed, poverty, honor, affluence, vengeance, and loyalty. He also explores the meaning and possibility of resurrection. How far would you go to support your country and defend what is yours? Would you like to give your life for your friend, for country, for lover. This thought provoking work that is set in both London and Paris not only provides insight into the time period but aspires or inspires a long look at our own human condition. This is the short introduction of A Tale of Two Cities and life history of Dickens. We have now knowledge about Victorian era. Next class, we shall talk in detail about the story and theme of the novel. Thank you.